So we want to graph an ellipse with the equation x plus 4 quantity squared over 9 plus y plus 2 quantity squared over 4 equals 1. We'll start off with the standard form of an equation, which is x minus h quantity squared over a squared plus y minus k quantity squared over b squared equals 1. Now we see that 9 corresponds to a, so a squared equals 9 and a equals 3. A is the semi-major axis in this case because 9 is greater than 4. And 4 corresponds to b, so 4 equals b squared and b equals 2. Now the center for an ellipse is at h comma k, and we see that h is negative 4 and k is negative 2, so the center for this ellipse is at negative 4, negative 2. Now because the center is negative negative, we know that it's going to be in quadrant 3, and we'll graph the center. Over 4 down 2, the center is going to be there. Now we can graph the semi-major axis, which is 3, so we'll go 3 in each direction. And the semi-minor axis, which is 2, and we know that the semi-minor is on the y-axis because b squared is 4 and b is 2, and it's under y. So we'll go up 2, and then we'll go down 2. And we'll sketch out our ellipse. Then we can label the vertices. V1, negative 4, 0. V2 at negative 7, comma, negative 2. V3 at negative 4, comma, negative 4. And V4 at negative 1, comma, negative 2. Then we mark our center. Negative 4, negative 2. And our semi-minor axis, which is 2 units long, and our semi-major axis, which is 3 units long. Now to find our foci, we'll use the Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared equals a squared minus b squared. And we'll use the right triangle, which for now we'll imagine is right here. This, the distance from the center to the foci, is c. And this is the same distance as a, so we'll know that that's 3 units long. This is the same distance as b, so that's 2. We'll plug that into the equation to find c. And we have c squared equals 3 squared minus 2 squared. C squared equals 9 minus 4. C squared equals 5. And c equals the square root of 5. So that's the square root of 5. And the square root of 5 is slightly larger than 2. So if we go over 2, we'll know it's actually right about here. And that's how you graph an ellipse.